Imagine waking up tomorrow to a headline that changes history forever. Scientists successfully bring a dinosaur back to life. Would you believe it? Movies like Jurassic Park made this seem possible. But is that actually possible? Could modern science really resurrect creatures that disappeared 66 million years ago? Or is it nothing more than Hollywood fantasy? Today, we're diving deep into one of the biggest scientific questions of our time. Could dinosaurs return? And if they could, should they? Let's find out. To understand whether dinosaurs can return, we first have to understand why they disappeared. For over 160 million years, dinosaurs ruled the Earth. They evolved into thousands of different species, from tiny feathered hunters to giants longer than a basketball court. Then, about 66 million years ago, everything changed. A massive asteroid, estimated to be around 10 kilometers wide. It slammed into what is now Mexico's Yucatan Peninsula, creating the Chicxulub crater. The impact released unimaginable energy, more powerful than billions of nuclear bombs. Wildfires spread across continents. Towering tsunamis raced across the oceans. Dust and molten rock blasted into the atmosphere. Ash covered the skies. Sunlight disappeared for months, or even years. Plants began to die. Food chains collapsed. One species after another disappeared. Around 75% of life on Earth vanished, including nearly every dinosaur. But not all dinosaurs disappeared. One small group survived. They were the ancestors of today's birds. Evolution continued. Over millions of years, their descendants became the birds we know today. Every sparrow, every pigeon, every eagle, even every chicken is actually a living dinosaur. Dinosaurs never completely went extinct. They evolved. The idea behind Jurassic Park sounds surprisingly believable. A mosquito bites a dinosaur. The mosquito flies away and becomes trapped in tree resin. Over millions of years, the resin becomes amber. Scientists extract the ancient blood. DNA is recovered. A dinosaur is cloned. Sounds simple, except there's one huge problem. DNA doesn't last forever. Every year, it slowly breaks apart. Scientists have studied this process, and the results are clear. Even under perfect conditions, DNA continues to decay. Scientists estimate, after roughly 6 to 7 million years, almost every DNA bond is broken apart. Dinosaurs disappeared 66 million years ago. That's nearly 10 times longer. No matter how perfect the amber looks, the DNA inside is gone. Time erased the blueprint. In fact, scientists have searched for decades, but they've never recovered usable dinosaur DNA. Not a single complete genome exists. The blueprint is incomplete. That changes everything. Jurassic Park's method doesn't work in real life. Amber preserves appearance, but not the genetic code. But what if we tried cloning instead? It sounds like a better idea. After all, scientists cloned Dolly the sheep in 1996. Since then, we've cloned many different animals. So why not dinosaurs? The answer is surprisingly simple. Cloning needs one essential thing: an intact living cell. Without it, cloning cannot even begin. Imagine trying to build a library after every book had turned to dust. That's the problem scientists face. Even if tiny fragments survived, they would be incomplete. Millions of instructions would still be missing. The blueprint is gone. But here's where things become fascinating. Remember those surviving dinosaurs? Birds. Birds didn't evolve from dinosaurs. They are dinosaurs. Every pigeon, every eagle, every chicken is a living dinosaur. The age of dinosaurs never truly ended. scientists began asking a different question. Instead of bringing dinosaurs back, what if we changed birds instead? Birds still carry ancient genes, hidden deep inside their DNA. These genes have been inactive for millions of years. Researchers wondered, could those ancient traits return? That idea became known as the Chickenosaurus. But no real Chickenosaurus exists. Scientists have never created a living dinosaur. The research is about understanding evolution, not recreating Jurassic Park. Even so, scientists are already bringing back extinct animals, or at least trying to. Species like the woolly mammoth, the dodo, and the thylacine. These animals disappeared only thousands of years ago. Their DNA is much better preserved. That makes a huge difference. But dinosaurs vanished 66 million years ago. Their genetic blueprint is gone. Could future technology surprise us? Science has surprised us before. For now, the closest thing to a dinosaur might be the bird singing outside your window.